So I showed you how to make a press ready file, but now I want to show you how to share the design file, the editable file. So really the main thing I want to show you is that because we used an Adobe stock image, it's actually linked through the cloud. So I've got this little cloud icon, and had I used any other graphics, let's say any logos or anything else, had I brought them over from my Creative Cloud library, they would all be links. They wouldn't actually be directly embedded into this file. So when I go to share this PSD document, those would be missing graphics or missing assets. So there's two ways to fix it. One would be to simply embed that layer. So I'll right click on this image and go down to embed linked. I'll click on that, and now it'll turn this from a cloud element into a smart object, and it'll maintain that visibility in that layer, in that document, so you can just share the one document and you're in good shape. I'm gonna hit Command Z. The other way around this is to come up here to File, down to Package, and throw it anywhere you want. It'll create a new folder for you. So I'll throw it on my desktop. I'll hit Choose. And what it's going to do is package up all of the links and all of the assets for this document. So it made a new folder for me. It created a links folder for me where we have that JPEG layer that will be linked up when we open this new PSD. And then we also have the editable PSD file. So that's great. Now, one thing that I see here that it didn't bring with me is fonts. So if you remember at the beginning of this, we used the font Oswald, which is not currently included in our type kit. So you would want to make sure that you send that font along too, just in case the person who's opening this up didn't have that font to use. Other than that, that's pretty straightforward. So hopefully that helps you out. The last thing I would do would right click on this and compress it or send it to a zipped folder just so it's easier to share.